Hello viewers, welcome to Wealth First. Happy Navratri to all our viewers. On this channel we provide analysis on Nifty, Bank Nifty and few shares. And during this festive Navratri season, we are recommending 9 shares for short-term and long-term investment. Our channel has been live for more than 4 months, wherein we have shared our insights on 51 shares. In this video, we will show you the accuracy of our predictions. We are proud to announce that our overall prediction success rate is over 93%. So if you have been with us all this time, congratulations to you too. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel और ये वीडियो लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखें. We started this channel in July 2020 where we suggested these shares. You can see the list of shares we suggested with recommended date, suggested buying price, percentage gain or loss, shares high price after we suggested, and date on which they hit their highest price. Like JSW Steel was recommended on 6th of July 2020 on the price of 190.50 and it gained about 63% with the high of 312 on 16th October 2020. In July, all the recommended shares outperformed and gained from 3 to 63% profit, and for August, the shares outperformed and gained 4 to 45.7% profit, and the highest gainer was Century Ply, which was suggested on 10th of August on the price of 131.7, which made a high on 191.95 on 15th September, and it gained 45.7% profit. And also Hindalco, which gained 24.53%, and Century Textile, which gained 25.6%, and the list goes on for August. And lastly, for September, the shares performed very well and were profitable. And the highest gainer was Lupin, which was suggested on 14th September at a price of 968, which made a high of 1122 on 18th September, which only took 4 days. जैसा कि आप सबने देखा कि हमारे चैनल पर दिए गए रिकमेंडेशन कितने एक्यूरेट हैं और आप ऐसे ही प्रॉफिट बनाना चाहते हैं इस वोलेटाइल मार्केट में, तो हमारे साथ बने रहें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें जल्दी से जल्दी. Now let's start the analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty for the coming week. Nifty closed on Friday at 11,762.45 till it is above 11,647. It may remain in uptrend. It may face resistance at 11,816, 11,971 and 12,180. Below 11,647, it may find support at 11,607, 11,450 and 11,240. Bank Nifty closed on Friday at 23,533.25. If it crosses 23,564, its trend will be upside. It may face resistance at 21,458 and 24,784. If it does not cross 23,564 in downside, it may find support at 23,240, 22,945, 22,742 and 22,345. Now let's start with the analysis of 9 shares which are selected by our team on the occasion of Navratri. And the first share is Bajaj Consumer Limited. It closed on Friday at 181.50 above 175.30. It is in uptrend. Above this rate, it may rise up to 200, 207, 217 in next 3 to 6 weeks. If it closes below 175.30, it may fall up to 164.30 and 152. Second one is Crompton Greaves. It closed on Friday at 281.05 above 273.80. It is in uptrend. Above this, it may rise up to 308, 313 and 324 in 3 to 6 weeks. Below 273.80, it may fall up to 262.50 and 252. Third is Finolex Pipes. It closed on Friday at 517.90 above 512. It is in uptrend. One can buy it above 512 with strict stop loss for target of 538, 554 and 576 in 3 to 6 weeks. Below 512, it may fall up to 496, 476 and 450. Fourth one is Jubilant Food Works. It closed on Friday at 2318.75 about 2300. It is in uptrend. One can buy it for the target of 2437, 2522 in 3 to 6 weeks. Below 2299, it may fall up to 2161 and 2076. And the fifth one is Orient Electricals Limited. It closed on Friday at 196.85. It seems it is in uptrend until it is above 195. It may be bought for target of 219 and 233 in 3 to 6 weeks. Below 195, it may fall up to 174 and 160. And sixth is Quest Corp Limited. It closed on Friday at 419.40 above 411. It is in uptrend. One can buy above 411 for the target of 448, 471 and 509 in 3 to 6 weeks. Below 411, it may fall to 386, 373 and 350. And seventh is India Cement. It closed on Friday at 118.25. It is in uptrend. One way bought for the target of 126, 132 and 140 in 3 to 6 weeks. Below 118, it may fall up to support levels of 110 and 104. Eighth is KSCL Limited, which is Kaveri Seeds Limited. It closed on Friday at 549.40. Above 549, it is in uptrend. One way bought the share. It may rise up to 588, 612 and 652 in 3 to 6 weeks. Below 549, it may fall up to support levels of 510, 485 and 446. Kaveri Seeds Limited is an Indian-based company. The company is an integrated provider of farm solutions focusing on hybrid seeds. The ninth and the last share, which belongs to healthcare sector, is Zydus Wellness Limited. It closed on Friday at 1817.50. Above 1791, it is in uptrend. It may rise up to the target of 1930, 2010 and 2150 in 3 to 6 weeks. Below 1791, it may fall up to the support levels of 1652, 1566 and 1427. Zydus Wellness is an Indian consumer goods company headquartered in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. It is a subsidiary of pharmaceutical company Cadila Healthcare, so it is a must buy. Please watch all the levels carefully and trade with strict stop loss. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Take care. Bye.